friends, welcome back to your channel. It is the fourth video of this channel. In this video, you will again learn how to conduct school's morning assembly. Friends, my exams are going on. I can't tell you the introduction of this channel. I will also not able to give you the 3 tips. So without wasting our time, let's start today's video. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. By this beautiful thought, I dash, along with my classmates, wishing you very auspicious morning to our most honorable principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my brothers and sisters. Today the date is dash, and the day is dash. As the school begins with the prayer of Creator of this world, I mean God. So dear friends, let's start with the prayer so that Supreme Authority by joining our hands, closing our eyes and bow down our heads. A new day begins with new strength and endless possibilities. So enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly. I would like to call Dash for the thought of the day. How many of you read news in the morning today? I know most of you could not, but don't worry, we have brought you for you today's current happening. So to enlighten with current happenings, I would like to call Dash for news. Pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties. So let's take and go with Dash. It is the time to sacrifice our 52 seconds for the world's best national anthem. So let's us all get ready for national anthem. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till you good is better and your better is best. By this quote, we are disproving our today's assembly. Thank you for joining the beautiful morning assembly. Now you may move back to your respective classes and have a cheerful day. It is a time to leave now, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. If did, then please hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch my videos at first and be notified by the latest and useful videos, then you have to subscribe this and press the notification bell. A message will come from YouTube about my latest video. Friends, I want to know how many of you are facing the exams. So tell me in the comment box. Bye friends. See you soon. Be realistic and explore your creativity. Bye.